Welcome to the George Mason University Libraries tutorial on managing Mason catalog search results. After using this tutorial, you will be able to use different tools to save, label, and utilize results from your library searches. First, we need to sign in to be able to use all the features our library provides. Select My Library account and follow the prompts to sign in. See the Research Tutorials page or contact the library for more help with this step. In this video, we'll research the topic of student loan debt in the United States, using the Advanced Search feature. Select Start New Search from the menu at the top of the page and then select the Advanced Search button to the right of the search bar. Let's type the keywords student loan debt into one line of the Advanced Search dialog and United States into the second line. Then hit the Enter key or select the Search button. Scroll or tab down the page to view the results. Above our search results, there is a button labeled Save Query, which has the alt text, Save this search to your favorites. Selecting this will save the search terms we used and allow us to view the search again from our Favorites tab by selecting the Pushpin button from the top menu. This button has the alt text, Go to My Favorites. Then, select the Saved Searches tab to view all your saved searches. We can set up an alert to be notified when new items that match this search are added to the library's collection by selecting the bell-shaped icon next to this search, which has the alt text, Set an alert for this search. Select the magnifying glass from the top menu, which has the alt text, Go to Search, to return to the search results. From the results, we can also save individual items to our favorites by selecting the Pushpin button on an item's record. This button has the alt text, Add to Favorites. If we return to the Favorites page by selecting the Go to My Favorites Pushpin button from the top menu, we are on the Saved Records tab by default. This shows all of our saved items. Items may be removed individually from Favorites lists by choosing the pin icon with the strike-through from the Items menu, which has the alt text, Remove from Favorites. Alternatively, to remove multiple items at once, select them by clicking on the radio buttons next to each record, then select the pushpin with a strike-through, which has the alt text, Remove Selected Items, from the menu. You can also add labels to indicate categories such as an item's genre, topic, or the project you are saving it for. To do this, select the Add Labels button on each item record. This button has the alt text, Add or remove labels for selected items. After selecting this button, add the label you want and press the Enter key. To add labels to multiple items at once, select them by clicking on the radio buttons next to each record, then select the Add Labels button, which has the alt text, Add or remove labels for selected items, from the menu, and selecting an existing label or adding a new label. From this page, we can also save records to the citation management tool of our choice by selecting the ellipsis next to the record, which has the alt text, Show Action Items, and selecting the relevant tool from the menu bar that appears. Supported tools include BibTeX, EasyBib, RefWorks, EndNote, and Zotero. Select Email to email the record to yourself. Other features on this toolbar include generating a citation with the citation button and displaying the permalink to the record with the permalink button. In this tutorial, you learned how to use different tools to save, label, and utilize results from a Mason catalog search. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.